Hello, my name is Fabio Belloni, Chief Customer Officer and co-founder at Coupa. Coupa is a company that provides technology solutions for different vertical markets. We provide, in particular, location technologies that can be used both indoor and outdoor. We provide both hardware and software, and we have different interfaces that partner can use for integrate our platform within their product offering.
My name is Jose Costa Repena. I'm CEO from Cumucor. Cumucor, the whole thing came after working at Nokia, because there I saw that we had a huge system for building all the mobile networks. And then I thought that we might need something smaller, something that is more like scaling down the whole system. And then it turned out that it came 5G, it came the private networks, and that was the exact fit. Yeah, I think that location is it's critical. It's important for industry, because besides communicating to the machines, you have to know where are the machines that you are communicating with. It's one of the key aspects of industrial communications. So in order to get this location in a cost-effective way, then we need to have alternative solutions. So in that sense, that's where we see that Coupa could complement this kind of solutions.
We've been working with our partner and customers for the past couple of years, trying to understand what are their needs and how they are landing their solution powered by Coupa into the different markets. There is always sensitivity around the infrastructure and deployment cost. And that has been something that was brought to our attention several times. So what we did as a good customer-centric company, we kind of went back into the drawing room and trying to understand from these market needs how we could help our partner land the product in an easier way. As our platform can be used across so many different geographical and vertical markets, it was close to impossible to find a solution that could solve the needs of everybody. We started to work with 4G and 5G connectivity technology thanks to market demand. And this demand came both from our partner as well as from other company which then became our technology partner. One of such company is, for instance, Cumucor. They have a product offering around the core of 5G, and they have a great complement platform to Coupa.
So we have private network, and then we have the proper location that doesn't require a huge investment in order to build up like a large set of base stations just to find the location of your devices.
So the partnership with Cumucor has been very inspiring, and we are looking forward to package an offering that would be off the shelf for our partner and customers. And please stay tuned in what Coupa will offer in the domain of 5G. Thank you.